Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Uno game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uno game on your device and wait for a while until the game is fully loaded. Once the game is loaded up, if you haven't already created a new account, you can either tap on sign in with Google Play or the sign in with Facebook option. You can also continue playing as a guest without signing up or signing in. Tap on your preferred login or sign up option, either Google Play or Facebook. You will then be asked to log in to either your Google Play account or your Facebook account. If you haven't already logged into your Facebook or Google Play, you might need to enter your credentials for these accounts. Once you are logged in, you will simply be able to tap on the Continue As button in order to provide permissions to access your account information. After simply tapping on the Continue As button, your sign up process for the game will begin. And once you wait for a little while, you will be signed up to your account on the Uno game right away. And now you can start enjoying the game on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Uno game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.